In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Wise Australia online banking password. Whether you've simply forgotten your password or you feel the need to update it for security reasons, this is a straightforward process that can be done in a few simple steps. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, head over to the official Wise Australia website. This is the starting point for accessing all your Wise services. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and it will take you to the login screen where you usually enter your details. If you're having trouble logging in, do not worry, Wise has made it easy to proceed from here. What you want to do is find the link that says Trouble Logging In and click on it. This will guide you towards recovering or resetting your password swiftly. Once you've clicked on Trouble Logging In, you will see an option that reads I've forgotten my password. Click on this link as it will direct you to the next phase of the password recovery process. Wise has streamlined this process to ensure that even if you're not technologically savvy, you can still regain your account access effortlessly. After selecting I've forgotten my password, you will see another prompt that says Reset Password. Click on this option. At this point, Wise is preparing to help you securely reset your password, ensuring that only you have access to your sensitive information. Now, the system will ask for your email address. Make sure to enter the email associated with your Wise account. This is crucial, as the password reset link will be sent to this email. Once you've entered your email address, click on Send Password Reset Link. A helpful tip here is to double check your email entry to avoid any mistakes that might delay receiving the reset link. After you've done that, head over to your email inbox. Look out for an email from Wise which should contain the password reset link. It usually arrives within a few minutes, but be sure to check your spam or junk mail folders if it seems to be taking too long. Once you've received the email, click on the provided link and you'll be redirected to a secure page where you can set a new password. Make sure your new password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance the security of your account. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Wise Australia online banking password. Simple, isn't it? Remember, keeping your online banking information secure is important, so ensure your password is unique and not used for other accounts. If you have any more questions or encounter any issues, Wise's support team is always available to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.